Everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete your Temu account. It's pretty easy and it's really straightforward. Thank God that Temu offers you in the application that you can right away delete your account. It's pretty easy, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, after you downloaded Temu and you use it and you ordered whatever you want, now you don't want to use Temu. So when you open Temu, you're going to navigate onto the U part, or basically your account, okay? And then on your account, you're going to scroll down, all the way to settings. Now, from settings, there is no way you can find something called delete your account right away over here, but it is actually on account security. Now, once you click on account security and it loads, as you can see, you're going to click on delete your Temu account. And then when I click on delete my Temu account, as you can see, it's going to tell you a bunch of different options that you've deleted your account. You're not going to be able to access it again and all this kind of stuff. So you're going to click, I want to permanently delete my Temu account and all its data. And then you're going to click on continue. Okay? Once you click on continue, it's going to tell you, are you sure you want to delete your account? I'm going to click on delete. So, and then you're going to verify your identity that this is actually your account. And once you're verified, then you've actually it deleted your account. So yeah guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you